I'm about to show you how to delete your Facebook account in 2026. So let's jump in. Now I have my iPhone and my Android here, no matter what you have. First, we need to get to your settings. So on the iPhone, let's tap on that menu button at the very bottom right. And you'll see on Android, it's slightly different. It's at the very top right. So just tap on that. Next thing we need to do is get to your settings. So all we're going to do is open up the settings. Either phone works the exact same. Just scroll down and open up your settings. We'll be able to delete your account by getting into the account center here. And after we've done that, we're going to tap on personal details midway down. After we've done that, you can see account ownership and control. Let's tap that. And then deactivation and deletion. Tap on that. Of course, this is for Facebook, so let's choose Facebook. And you don't want to choose deactivate. Make sure you hit delete instead and hit continue and continue. It doesn't matter what you say here. You can choose whatever you want and then just hit continue, continue. Next, we will just keep going, and then it will say it will permanently delete the account. It will also delete Messenger, delete all your posts, so you might want to download them. Just hit continue at the very bottom, and now you'll need to enter in the password for that account. After you've entered it in, it will delete it. Keep in mind you can always recover it within 30 days if you wanted to.